Flying these days feels more stressful than ever. Tiny seats, endless fees, and confusing rules. But if you're over 60, you're sitting on a goldmine of perks that most people don't even know exist. There's an entire list of senior citizens' hidden travel secrets. Benefits airlines quietly offer but never advertise. Why? Because they save you money, cost them profits, and give you a serious edge. In this video, we're revealing 15 senior citizens' hidden travel secrets airlines wish you didn't know, insider tricks that let you beat the system without breaking the rules. Stick with me because the next few minutes could completely change the way you travel. Let's dive in. Number 15. International discounts. Most seniors never hear about. Here's the deal. Major international airlines like Lufthansa, British Airways, and Air India offer senior-specific discounts, but they hide them behind their booking engines. If you're 60 plus, you could save 10% to 30% on long-haul flights. The catch? These rates are usually not online. You'll need to call the airline directly or book through a senior-friendly travel agent. Just mention your age and ask, "Are there any senior citizen discounts available for this flight?" That one question could save you hundreds. Airlines won't volunteer this info because it's one of those senior citizens' hidden travel secrets they hope you never uncover. Number 14. Senior travel insurance perks you're probably missing. Travel insurance sounds boring until you slip on wet tiles in Barcelona and rack up a $6,000 bill. The hidden truth? Seniors get better options. Companies like Allianz, AIG, and MedJet offer policies specifically for travelers over 60, featuring perks like coverage for pre-existing conditions, higher medical evacuation limits, concierge medical services abroad. Most younger travelers don't even qualify for this kind of protection. If you're a senior citizen, these travel secrets could be the safety net that keeps your dream vacation from becoming a disaster. Number 13. Got bumped? Don't settle for a voucher. Airlines love to offer $200 flight vouchers when a plane is overbooked and you get bumped. But don't fall for it. Here's what most seniors don't know. Under US Department of Transportation rules, you're legally entitled to cash compensation, up to $1,550 depending on your delay. Vouchers expire, have blackout dates, and come with strings. Cash doesn't. Next time you're offered a coupon, politely decline and say, "I understand I'm eligible for cash compensation." Another senior citizen travel secret airlines won't mention, but you'll be glad you knew. Number 12. How to get lounge access without elite status. Lounges aren't just for business travelers. Seniors can access them too, often at reduced rates or for free. Here's how. Some credit unions or senior bank accounts offer free lounge passes. Ask about day passes at check-in. Many international lounges offer senior discounts during non-peak hours. If you're using airport mobility services, some lounges grant access automatically. Don't assume you're excluded. With a little insider know-how, you could be relaxing in a leather chair with free snacks while everyone else fights over outlets. Number 11. The best time for senior citizens to fly. Want to avoid crowds, save money, and reduce stress? Book flights for Tuesday or Wednesday mornings between 6 and 9 a.m. Here's why this hidden travel secret matters. Cheaper fares, shorter TSA lines, fewer delays, calmer airports. This is one of the easiest ways to make flying more enjoyable, yet airlines will never advertise it because less congestion means less profit. Number 10. Extra bags for medications. No fees required. Here's a senior-friendly TSA rule they won't post in big letters. If you're carrying medically necessary items like prescriptions, CPAP machines, or insulin, those don't count against your bag limit. Just say, "This is a medical necessity bag." TSA agents are trained to allow it. No fees, no fuss. Some airlines even allow additional items at no charge if you notify them in advance. It's one of the best-kept travel secrets for senior citizens, and it's your right. Number 9. Early boarding. No extra cost. Airlines want you to think early boarding only comes with a premium ticket. Not true. If you're a senior who needs a few extra minutes, whether for comfort, carrying luggage, or avoiding crowds, just let the gate agent know. Many carriers offer priority boarding for older travelers, no questions asked, and some automatically pre-board passengers over a certain age if requested in advance. Don't pay for it, just ask. Another hidden perk airlines won't mention unless you do. Number 8. Score a better seat for free with this strategy. Middle seats should be illegal, but unfortunately, they still exist. Here's how to get out of one without paying a penny. Don't choose a seat when booking. Check back during online check-in, 24 hours before departure. Ask at the gate, are any aisle or bulkhead seats available for seniors? Gate agents often hold back better seats and may assign them to respectful travelers who ask. One of the most useful senior travel hacks airlines hope you overlook. Number 7. The doctor's note that unlocks travel perks. If you've got joint pain, balance issues, or even mild mobility concerns, a simple doctor's note can go a long way. No complex form needed, just a letter saying you need extra legroom, boarding support, or fewer stairs. Airlines can use this to assign more accessible seats, allow extra medical bags, provide discreet boarding help, bring the note to check-in, or call the airline before your flight, and your reservation can be flagged for assistance. Number 6. Get free airport assistance. No diagnosis required. Think you need a disability to get help navigating the airport? You don't. Airlines are legally required to offer mobility support to any passenger who requests it, including seniors who just want help getting through security or finding their gate. Just call after booking and ask, "I'd like to request mobility assistance." This unlocks wheelchair or cart service security fast-track priority boarding. It's a VIP service disguised as customer support. Number 5. The wheelchair. Hack airlines never mention. Let's be honest, long airport walks are exhausting, especially for older travelers. Good news, you don't need to be in a wheelchair full-time to request one for airport use. Just ask 48 hours before your flight and you'll get assistance from curb to gate, early boarding, help with bags, fast security lanes. This isn't cheating, it's a senior travel support system designed to make flying accessible. Number 4. Skip the seat fees. With this one simple trick, want to avoid paying $39 just to sit next to your spouse? Skip seat selection when booking. Check in online exactly 24 hours before departure. Choose from released free seats, often including aisle and window spots. If the flight isn't full, gate agents may also help with free upgrades. Airlines count on seniors not knowing this. Now you do. Number 3. Use your age to skip security lines. Don't want to wait in a TSA line that wraps around the terminal? You may not have to. At many US airports, seniors can request a quicker line. Just ask, is there a lane for travelers who need extra time or mobility assistance? No pre-check, no forms, no fees. Another hidden travel benefit for senior citizens that nobody talks about, but TSA will honor if you ask. Number 2. The silent upgrade at check-in. Want to sit up front without paying hundreds? Ask this line at the check-in counter. Are there any complimentary seat upgrades available for senior travelers today? If the flight isn't full, agents may move you to a comfort or bulkhead seat, especially if you're polite, traveling solo, or flying off-peak. It's not advertised, it's not guaranteed, but it works often enough to be worth a try. Number 1. Don't book senior fares through the airline site. Yes, senior fares exist. But here's the truth. Airline websites often bury or inflate these deals, while third-party sites or senior organizations offer better rates and extra perks. Check with platforms like AARP Travel Priceline with senior filters. Travel agents specializing in senior travel. You may unlock waived change fees, bonus miles, or early boarding without jumping through hoops. Now you know the truth. There are dozens of hidden travel secrets for senior citizens, and the airlines would rather you stay in the dark. But you're not flying blind anymore. From early boarding to seat upgrades, extra bags to VIP lounge access, you've got the tools to fly smarter, cheaper, and stress-free. What's the one secret you wish you knew earlier? Or, which of these hacks are you trying first? Let us know in the comments. And if this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more insider tips, and share this with a fellow traveler over 60 who deserves a better flying experience. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next one.